Hi, good morning, everyone.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning once again. Yeah, I think we can get started.
Okay, sure. So let me share my screen. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Today, we are going to understand the complete architecture of the Hyperledger, how the Hyperledger works, and then what kind of community we have, and
Mm-hmm.
where we can find the official documentation and all those things. And after that, we'll move into the core concept of Hyperledger Fabric.
Okay.
So that will be the agenda. Let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you can make me
Oh, sorry.
co-host.
Yeah. Yeah, all yours now.
Okay. Okay. So what we are going to understand is what is the Linux Foundation, what kind of projects are there inside the Linux Foundation, then the Hyperledger Foundation and the list of projects which comes under Hyperledger umbrella, and as well as the frameworks and tool. And after that, we'll move into the Hyperledger support system, that is the community section and the documentation. So this
Okay.
that's it for this particular thing. We'll try to complete as soon as possible this, and then we'll move to the core concept of Hyperledger Fabric. So the very first thing is how this Hyperledger Fabric is being developed. So it is backed by the Linux Foundation. So Linux Foundation is a non-profit organization which works on the open source platforms. They develop open source technologies, and it was founded around 2000 as a merger between two organizations, that is open source development labs and the free standard groups. So to standardize the Linux and support its growth. So basically the very first thing was the Linux operating system, which right now we are using. So the Linux which we use, that is also open source. uh, so as you know, like, what is the meaning of open source? Open source meaning there is no license, or there is no cost involved if you want to use the software which are tagged as a open source. Okay. Nowadays, uh, around more than 50-60% softwares which comes in the industry, they come as a open source. Okay. So generally, for developers, it will be like everything will be free. If you want to use for the in like enterprise or the commercial, there might be some licensing and all, but here with the Linux Foundation, everything will be free of cost. So you will get the code base, but if you want to run that code, of course you will need the infrastructure. So for infrastructure, you have to invest your money. Okay.
Mhm.
So the code base you will get free of cost, but the to install that or to run that, you of course you will have the need of servers, databases. So for that, of course, you will have to spend money, right? So and after that, this is the complete project. If you see right now, they are having around more than 1800. Okay, this is a old data, around one year old data, but right now they are having around 1800 members. So what kind of members are nothing but the companies who are giving support to Linux Foundation, like resource wise or fundings. So these are the organizations, enterprise organizations, which are providing the support to the Linux Foundation. Okay.
Basically,
And
these are the products that they developed.
yes, so if you see in the right side, these are the
Mm-hmm.
products which developed by the Linux Foundation.
Oh, great.
So most of the project, if you see right now, the products which are in the like a noise, right? You can see
Mm-hmm.
Node.js, GraphQL, then
Mm-hmm.
Jenkins. So
Yeah.
50% you will be using in your company or in your projects, right?
Mm-hmm.
So cloud native, cloud foundry, Kubernetes, right? So these all are coming from the Linux Foundation only.
Linux ones. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw they have multiple certifications as well, including
Yes,
Hyperledger.
yes,
So
yes. So that
what?
I will, yeah,
Okay.
that
So
I
for the
will.
certification we will be
Mhm.
targeting will be from this Linux Foundation only or something else?
Yeah. So for certification also, that you have to register on the Linux Foundation website, and then
Okay.
their portal is there, and then they will conduct the exam.
Okay.
So it will be online exam.
Mm-hmm.
So I will share the detail after this.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
these are the actually area, like in every area they have their product, or they have their software which they have developed, and right now industry is using those softwares, right? So this is all about the uh, Linux Foundation. If you want to visit their website, here is the URL for that. So it is Linux Foundation. So linuxfoundation.org, this is their website, and here also you can get all the information, right? What kind of projects are there, right? And various case study, what kind of uh, um, things they do, right? And when you come to here, uh, they have one member section also. Let me, okay, fine. So this is their LFX platform, where you will find all the information about um, um, the achievements or the developers, what they are doing, and what kind of different like in a security, in the mentorship. So they do a lot of things, right? So there is a, like, let's say if you want to do some mentorship for them, okay, so that also, that dashboard you can see, you can create your community profile, and you can also come you can also contribute as an open source developer, okay? So that possibility is there if you want to go in that direction, okay. And second thing which I just wanted to let you know is the training part. So they provide trainings also, okay. So but that training is something like it is always like online training only, but most of the things like people generally do the certification from the Linux Foundation. So if you
Okay.
want to go on the certification side,
Mm-hmm.
so here you will get the full catalog of the certification. This is the link, training.linux foundation, full
Mm-hmm.
catalog and the certification. So here, uh, like Kubernetes, these are the certification, and these two
Yeah.
are the Hyperledger one. One is
Mm-hmm.
CHFD, that is
Mm-hmm.
Certified Hyperledger Fabric Developer, and second one is Certified Hyperledger Fabric Admin.
Okay. So does this
And
training include, its certification includes training as well, or it's just for the
mm,
examination?
actually, on this cost $375, it is
Mm-hmm.
just a certification, but there is a
Okay.
bundle around $575 they will charge. Let
Mm-hmm.
me check that one also. Yeah, that around $575. That's what I know. Let me, 1 minute. Blockchain. Yeah, this one. So this is Fabric admin and CHFS FF exam bundle. Okay, so this comes in
Mm-hmm.
a $575.
Okay.
Okay, so this is for a single student.
Mm-hmm.
So so in this, uh, what exactly you are going to do is the same thing which we are going to learn, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you like network creation, network update, channel creation, complete thing which I am going to cover, the same thing you will find here. So
In
let's say,
administrator.
yes, in admin most of the things are, but I'm going to cover you both admin plus developer. But in
Mm-hmm.
admin, if you see, this is the curriculum. So introduction, then blockchain and distributed technology, introduction to Hyperledger Fabric,
Mm-hmm.
then membership services, certificates, transactions, life cycle of transaction, network creation, assets, chain code life cycle, private data, service discovery, and troubleshooting. Okay. So,
So as we are doing this training already,
mhm,
we don't
mhm.
need that explicit training from LFX, right? We can achieve
I
for the certification.
yeah, I don't think so,
Obviously, it will
because
require some preparation. I understand
yeah.
that.
And second thing is, this is recorded training only. Okay, this is not live.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so I have, like me, if you want to look at the how the sessions are there,
Mm-hmm.
I have that in my 1 minute. I'll just show you. So I'm having one. I bought one like exam plus the training,
Training. Okay.
yeah, bundle. So let me open that.
Mm-hmm. We already done this certification.
I did.
Both of them, or that
No, just
any
admin.
particular
Just
admin?
that is also
Mm-hmm.
like like it looks like very easy, but when you
Mm-hmm.
do, then you will get to know. Okay, this is not
Yeah,
uh,
not that straightforward.
yes, because
Preparation would be needed, right?
of course, and like preparation plus like uh, one thing is like a practice actually, because
Mm-hmm.
uh, they will ask, okay, create a network, then they will temper some network, and then they will ask, okay, just um, like correct this network and run it again. So these kind of things, and that is
Okay.
on a live environment. When only 2 hours is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in that time
Mm-hmm.
you have to complete that.
Oh.
So that is why it is like um,
Mm-hmm.
people like I never seen a guy who did in a single attempt. Okay,
Oh.
everyone is taking 2 or 3 attempts.
Mm-hmm.
But
And are there
when
any additional charges for attempts?
yeah, so 2 attempts you will get in the one like if you spend 375, so you will get
Mm-hmm.
2 attempts
Mm-hmm.
for 1 year. So let's say if you want to take first attempt, then if you want to say take second attempt. Okay. So
Okay.
between 1 year of time you can have 2 attempts.
2 attempts. Okay.
Yeah, so here if you see, this is their curriculum, like so
Okay.
this is how they have. If you go here, a Hyperledger Fabric, architecture component, fabric component,
Mm-hmm.
right? So the thing which we are going to complete now.
Okay. And are
So
these videos only, or
everything
articles
is
and doc?
videos, some articles.
Okay.
So like this, like um, and few videos, I think few recorded video you will get, and few are like like this one, like some graphical,
Documentation.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
and this documentation is available on the official documentation also here. So it is just
Oh,
so here
so
all the documentation is available. Let's say if you want to know about the uh, okay, let's say key concepts are there, right?
mm-hmm.
So peers, so here is also complete documentation is available, right? If you want to read out, so
Okay.
everything is available. And here also they are just like doing the same thing. They will also explain the um, so like this.
Okay. So not necessarily we need that training explicitly
Training
if we do the
I don't
preparation.
think so, because
Mm-hmm.
uh, the training content which they have, that
Mm-hmm.
is just copy paste from this official documentation.
Documentation. Okay.
Okay. Just they have quick something like basically here you will get let's say 100 line of document, and here they have
Mhm.
just converted into 20 or 30 line of document.
Mhm.
So this is how it will be.
Okay.
So that is the whole part here.
Okay.
Fine. So here you can get, and also like right now, I think some discount is also going on. If you want to purchase something, like if you want to
Mhm.
go for the certification, I think
Mhm.
some discount is going on the Linux Foundation. Yesterday only I got one mail. I think around 35% off they are giving right now because of this
Oh,
year end or some Christmas
special offers are there.
festival kind of.
Okay. Okay. And even if you register for the exam
Hmm.
now, we
Hmm.
can attempt it anytime in 1 year, right?
Yes, yes, you will get 1 year time. So in that
Okay.
1 year, you can attempt anytime.
Okay. And twice in that year, if
Yes, yes.
anyone.
If you get filled, then yeah, twice.
Okay.
Yeah. So this
Okay.
is.
Maybe so. In that case, we
Mhm,
can get subscribed for the examination, and maybe as
mhm.
we have discount running going on
Right
at the
now, yeah, if you can check it out, because this it was earlier, it was 300, no, around 180, $280.
okay,
But around 4 months back only they have increased the price. Now it
increase
is
the price, and now they are giving discount.
now this is 375. When I did, it was around 280, and then I got some discount also around 40-50 dollars. So
Okay,
I got in around 210 or 220.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And which is the recommended one? Is it the developer or administrator?
See, easy one is developer, admin. Okay. So
Mm-hmm,
first
mm-hmm.
try to attempt the admin, because
Okay.
developer has their own expertise. You have to have commands on the SDK part. So
Mm-hmm.
SDK is written in Node.js. So Node.js part you should be having a good understanding.
Right.
So I would say first try to attempt admin, and then maybe go for the developer one,
Developer one.
because when we give the exam, we know, like I know everything, but still I'm not able to do anything. Okay,
Mm-hmm,
that will
mm-hmm.
be the case, and if you do the time management properly, then only you can pass. So there is a 65% you have to get, I think, and that is a criteria to pass.
Okay.
And so that is the main thing, like because they questions are very easy, around 10 or 15 questions you will get.
Mm-hmm.
When you read the questions, these questions are very 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 easy. Like if you know about the Hyperledger Fabric, it will be very easy, but
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you don't have to write the write the answer. You have to do the practical implementation of the
Practical.
answer.
Yeah.
Okay, so they will just up the network, and they will ask, okay, create a channel with this particular name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
So they will give you a live server. On that live
Mm-hmm.
Linux server, you have to put the commands, and then you have to run the commands. Okay,
Okay.
that is how it is. And they will tell you, okay, you are allowed to open the documentation also, this official documentation. You can use
Okay.
this documentation. Still it is like you have the commands,
Have
you have
everything.
knowledge also, but still
Mm-hmm.
if you don't do the time management properly, then it will be
Mm-hmm.
very difficult.
So practice that could
Practice,
help
yes,
only.
practice
Okay.
will help, and then some tricks and tips how to play around with that servers which they provide, because that is
Mm-hmm.
the Linux server, like that is bit different from our server. Because in our server, like if you want, the main challenge which you will get is setting up the environment variable. So basically
Mm-hmm.
what happens is they will give you some peers, and they will give you, okay, this peer has this particular environment variable.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't give the path correctly, and if you stuck with the path, then it will be very difficult to like clear out that particular question. because
Okay.
some kind of difficulty you will find in that to understand that environment actually, because
Mm-hmm.
that is the very first time you are watching or you are having experience of that environment. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it is very difficult actually.
Okay.
Is
So
there
we'll have to have good knowledge of shell commands as well in that.
Yes. So actually, and that will come with the practice only. Okay. Once you do the
Mm-hmm.
practice,
Yes, right.
then it will be very easy.
hello?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Is
Yeah.
there any provision for giving a mock exam or for practice in that environment?
No, mock exam is not there. So only thing is you have to first. So first attempt anyway, you will get 2 attempts, right? So first attempt is considered as a okay. You prepare yourself, but consider as a okay. This is my practice exam only. Okay.
Okay.
Um, only thing is questions I have. Okay, I can give you the questions. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
can prepare the question also. Okay.
Okay.
Only thing is with those questions, how to manage your time in
Mm-hmm.
between
Yeah,
that.
2 hours of time period.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
so if you are able to manage the time, you will be passed.
Oh.
Okay, because all the questions you will already know. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
everything is known to you, but only thing
Mm-hmm.
is time management.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, maybe once we have that training done based on the question set, we can do practice multiple times,
Yes,
do the same things again and again. Maybe with
yes,
some time restrictions that will help, I guess.
yes, yes, yes.
and
Okay.
is there any validity for this certification?
I think they have 2 years of validity, 2 or 3 years. That's
Okay.
what right now. I think I will get on this page. 1 minute, you can check it out.
Yeah, at least the evolving technology, there will be some sort of expiration because you will have to keep upgrading yourself.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So I think 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah, 3 years. Third.
3 years. 3 years. So 3 years and then 12-month exam
Eligibility.
eligibility, and one free
Eligible.
retake you will
Free
get.
rating. Mm-hmm.
And it comes with the Hyperledger Fabric 2.2.
Mm-hmm.
But 2.2 and 2.3 both are pretty much same. So
Okay.
if you know about latest version also, that is also fine. But this will
Mm-hmm.
come with the 2.2.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually it was very easy with the 1.4 earlier, the version which we were having. So that time it
Mm-hmm.
was easy. But right now with 2.2 it is quite
Completely
difficult.
changed.
And
Mm-hmm.
still 2-3 questions will come where like those questions from 1.4, 4.3 only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But they ask as a 2.2. So there you have to just tweak the commands and then do it.
Okay.
But anyway, that will like come into practice when you do the complete training, complete practice, and that will you will understand easily.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that is the certification part.
I don't see any offers on this page. Is that specifically as you are the member, that's why you received it or something like that?
Let me, I think 1 minute. I got that on my email. Next foundation. Yeah, I got it. This one. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is the 35% they are saying. This is the
Mm-hmm.
code. Give
Okay.
learning 21, and it ends on 22nd December.
Okay.
I don't know if it is only for me or it is. I think it is throughout, like anyone can use.
Okay. 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 Yeah, maybe this should be offered for every, but they haven't advertised that on their page actually.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is all about the certification part. Now,
Mm-hmm.
the next thing which we have is the Hyperledger Foundation. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
Hyperledger Foundation is like a earlier it was not a foundation. Hyperledger was the under was coming under the as a project under
Mm-hmm.
the Linux Foundation, but now last 3 or 4 months back they have created a special foundation for the Hyperledger. Okay, and this foundation has various kind of frameworks. Okay, so these are the list of framework which it has. So this is the list. So it comes under Linux Foundation. So you have Hyperledger, then inside Hyperledger you have Fabric, Grid, ND, Iroha, Sawtooth, Bruro. Okay, so I will just give you one quick so okay, so this is one graphical representation. You can check it out on the website landscape.hyperledger.org. And here this is the complete landscape where like you will get the Hyperledger certified service provider. So these are the company list. Then training partners.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, who are the training partners for the Hyperledger? From India, we have 4 training partners. Okay, so this is the Emergo.
Mm-hmm.
This is also from India. Then we have IDs, Information Data Systems,
Mm-hmm.
and then this Snapper Future Tech. Okay, and
Okay.
then KVA. So I work for 4 companies here. So Emergo,
All 4.
IDS.
Oh.
No, not for KVA. So IBM is also there. So
Mm-hmm.
Emergo, IDS, IBM, and Snapper Future Tech. So I
Oh,
work for these
great,
4.
great.
Yeah. So these are the training partner, and this is the members, like a premium member, general member, and associate members. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So actually they have a list of premier members, like who are giving a top or who are giving the highest fundings to the Hyperledger Foundation. Okay.
Okay.
So Accenture is there, Consensus, and IBM. These are the top companies who are giving the. Let me open in the. Yeah. So these are the company who are giving the premium members. So 7 companies
Mm-hmm.
are there, and then some general members are there. So that list is very big. 112 members are there. So most of the thing like big companies you can see like who are uh, in the market right now. So most of the companies you can see here,
Okay.
and then we have some associate members. Okay, so associates meaning like a it is like a they are the one like premium are giving the they are giving the resources plus fundings. Then
Funding.
general members are also giving some funding. So there is some like types, like if you give
Mm-hmm.
this much funding, then you will be in a premier. If you give this much funding, then you will be in a general. So like this. So
Okay.
this is how and why they do this? Because when any customer comes, like they check for the certified service provider. Okay? They are
Mm-hmm.
using the Hyperledger, and if member is certified from the Hyperledger, then of course they will choose. There is a choice, right? So
Okay.
that is why companies spend the money here.
So being a service provider will have to be their members first.
No, you can give your services. That is not like
Mm-hmm.
you have to be member only. But
Mm-hmm.
if your client has some requirement, okay, no, you have to be certified from somewhere. You have to be
Yeah.
a member of Hyperledger, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
basically, if you are a member of the Hyperledger, then it is like okay, they have
Yeah.
they checked your services, they have checked your capabilities to develop
Yes.
the projects on Hyperledger. Then they are giving you the authority, you can be as a like certified member. Okay,
Okay.
just like for every brand, like if you have the service centers, so some service center like authorized service centers, right? And some service
Yes.
center you will find is like a normal service center, so similar to that.
Yes.
And then coming to the projects, so these are the list of projects which right now we are having.
Mhm.
So these 6 are the distributed ledgers. In that you have the Besu, Fabric, ND, Iroha, Sawtooth, and Bureau. So and some are the graduated. Graduated meaning they have their LTS version ready. Okay.
Okay.
So this Besu is it is a Ethereum client. Okay. So
Mhm.
kind of, let's say if you want to use Ethereum for the private blockchain, as a private blockchain for the enterprises. Okay. So for that, it is a kind of, it will act as a client, and ultimately it will connect to the Ethereum only, but you can
Okay.
create the enterprise application with the client. Okay. So this is the complete information about the Besu, and
Okay.
whatever features you have in the Ethereum, those all features will come here. Okay. And
Okay.
this is development in the Java technology, so it is completely developed in Java.
Okay.
99% you will find code on the Java. So then we have the Fabric. So Fabric is like, you, as you know, this is the for very modular architecture you will find in the Fabric, and this will allow the consensus plus membership. Okay,
Mhm.
and all the
Mhm.
components you can do a plug and you can plug in or plug out. You can play around it,
Mhm.
and most of the things are written in a Golang. So all the internal code of the Fabric is written in the Golang,
Okay.
and SDKs are written in JavaScript and Java. And of course, you will find some shell script also that I
Mhm.
will explain you. So and this is developed by IBM. So initially it was the product of IBM. Then IBM donated this product to the Linux Foundation.
Linux Foundation.
And
Okay.
still IBM only develop, like the developers comes from IBM only. So
Mhm.
it is managed by the Linux, Hyperledger Foundation now, but the founding developers are from IBM only.
Okay.
And here are the complete documentation. So this is GitHub repo. Then here, this is the website, and complete information basically you will find here.
Mhm.
Okay, and this is just a Twitter, and this is another. After that, Indie is there. So Indie is basically for the digital identities. Okay, so if you want to create some platform for the digital identity, just like we have Aadhaar, right? So Aadhaar is
Mhm.
our digital identity, but it is not based on blockchain. So Indie is the one
Right.
which using Indie you can create some kind of platform which provides the digital identities, and
Mhm.
which is backed by the blockchain. Also, it implements the zero knowledge proof. So what is the zero knowledge proof is?
Mhm.
Without revealing your identity, or without revealing your complete identity, still you can prove yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So the best example, if I give you here, uh, so when if you apply for a credit card, right, for a
Mhm.
with the credit card company or with the bank, so
Mhm.
generally what kind of document we have to submit is, we have to submit our Aadhaar card, PAN card,
Yeah.
bank statement, and then
Yeah.
address proof,
Yes.
everything. Okay, sometimes 10 12 mark sheet also, right?
Mhm.
But what the company who is giving you the uh, credit card, generally what is their main motive, or what is their main concern is whether you have the proper credit history or not, right?
Yeah. Sort
So
of
that's
KYC.
what they should know, right? So
Mhm.
the use case which we can implement is like a if the credit card company is interested only in your credit history, so
Mhm.
that credit history is available with the bank, right? Because you have the account, so they know about your credit history. So
Right.
they can ask the bank, like, can you provide the credit history, or can you just provide this person is eligible for credit card or not. So only yes or no response they need, right?
Mhm.
So without giving your complete information, like without giving your all the documentation, they can just say yes or no. Right? This is a one example of bank. Second example, if I
Mhm.
give is let's say for driving license, right? So the RTO will issue the driving license, and you are the user. RTO is a issuer, and if let's say traffic police is there, so they are the verifier, right?
Mhm.
So if a police officer asks for your driving license, so generally what we do is we just give the hard copy, like the card. We just show the card. That card has your name, father's name, your gender, address, then blood group, everything, right? But he is not interested in your blood group. He is not interested in your date of birth, right? What he is interested in is whether you have the valid license or not, correct?
Mhm. Mhm.
You are giving unnecessary information to him, okay, which is not relevant, and sometimes it can be a security issue also. So
Right.
the application, the zero knowledge proof says you like the minimal to minimum information. If you give to the verifier, he should be able to verify you. Okay, so in this situation, what can be done is you can have a digital ID, and that ID you can give to him, and he can with that ID he can ask the issuer, and the issuer will say, okay, this person has valid license, yes or no. Only response he will get is yes or no, or max if he wants to have some additional information. So your photo and your name will come from the issuer. That's it. So only required identity or required information uh, we can pass to the verifier, okay, to verify ourselves. So one platform is being developed on this, that is sovereign um, identity. Okay, so this is the one open source platform which is self-sovereign identity, right?
Mhm.
So that is developed with the same idea, okay. And they have, if you want to just learn more about it, because sometime in the use cases these kind of things will come, okay. So this is a sovereign identity which they have developed on the same idea, okay. So in this you can have the same kind of application where you can verify yourself without relieving your identity, right? So this
Mhm.
is the example of, and the sovereign use the ND only at the backend. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is one very good example. There is a practical implementation also, like you can try in your mobile, right? And there is like they have two applications, like verifier application and the issuer application. You can actually visualize in your phone how the zero knowledge proof works in actual environment.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is all about the Indie.
Indeed.
Now, next we have
So is
Iroha.
this open source? We can just
Everything, yeah. Yeah,
okay.
Sovereign also open source. This is also open source.
Okay.
This is the foundation,
Mhm.
actually.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is foundation. This is open source.
Okay.
You can be a part of their network. So they have a
Mhm.
large network. Only thing is, if you want to be part of the network, then of course you have to apply for that, and then you can host their node on your server.
Okay. So in case of implementing some sort of marketplace like we are doing for Ethereum.
Hmm.
Okay. So is there any way or platform specific project that we can utilize for implementing like NFT based marketplace, for example?
Right now, here, I don't think so. Anything is there. Only
Mm-hmm.
Besu for the
Best tool.
as a client you can use, but
Mm-hmm.
directly marketplace, like the complete one, right? You can do
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah,
front
yeah,
end
yeah.
also, back end also.
Yeah. So the same thing like we are currently trying with the Ethereum.
Yeah. So for that, right now I don't see any, because these are all back end networks.
Mm-hmm.
Front
Mm-hmm.
end always you have to develop as per as your own. there might be some projects which are open source for the e-commerce one, but I don't think so that that will help you out. Just give me 1 minute. I just come.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So for kind of e-commerce, right now I don't think so anything is there. So that should be developed by the OM. But some open source platforms are available, but those are not highly customizable actually. Like open source, various platform you will get. One I was looking for. 1 minute, if I can get the link, I will share. Yeah, this one is one. Cellular. Okay, this is open source only, and it has good UI also.
Okay.
So it will provide you the front end actually. So 1 minute, they have some demos also, like this. This is their demo.
Okay.
Like you can get the order detail here, order history. Then you will get these apps like native apps, social, and then payment apps like this.
Okay.
So this is completely e-commerce only. So you can try this one. I was trying this one, I think, and it UI is very good from this. And complete thing is open source. You can get the complete code. So let's say if you want to check out the code, this is the code available. But of course, it is like a there you have to check for the licensing, where you can use the license for commercial or not. But like single by your own you can use, but some licensing, that legal part you have to just check it out.
Yeah, right.
So this code is available here completely, so that you can check it out. So it has this one PWA is there, web app. Then UX UI design is there, dashboards are there, order, card, payments, everything. Only thing is you have to just connect your Ethereum backend to the front end.
Okay.
And this, if you are building an NFT, then I think this can be helpful.
Okay.
So, and this is developed on React and Python.
React based. Okay.
React, Django, and Python. So I think JavaScript is there, so it will be easy to change it.
So this is just the front end, not the complete implementation.
No, you will get the complete one. So with the Python backend, you will get the complete one, but they will provide you the provision to use your APIs instead of their APIs. Okay, so it will come as a complete code, but if you want to connect your backend, then I think you can connect also.
Okay.
So you have to just write out the documentation. They have the proper documentation here. So this is complete tutorial, and then documentation they have about
Okay.
the architecture, APIs, everything.
We have to check that out.
So let me give you this, because I various platform I have seen, few of them I have like set up also, but this was like a like modern kind of, where the UI and UX is very modern, which is right now in the demand.
Right.
So this can be check it out. Okay. So yeah, the next one which I was
I was just having one question related
Mhm.
with service partners.
mm,
As we discussed last time as well, actually, our main intention is to become service partner as well for Hyperledger. So what
Okay.
are the requirements to pursue that?
Mostly one is the funding part, which they have to you have to give to the foundation. And
Foundation.
second one
Okay.
is they have some criteria. Okay, so if you want to be let's say I just give you the criteria here. So okay, so if you want to, let's say if you want to start with the associate members, okay, so this is the criteria. This is for premier members, this much amount, and this is for general members, okay, and as for associate, it is like a pre-approved non-profit person's project, that is comes under associate, and this is for general member. If you want to be a general member, so first, if you are already in the foundation member, okay, so if you are already a foundation member, then this is the cost you will get, and if you are a general member, then this is the cost you have to give. This is the actually donation.
Yeah. And it is for organizations that are not non-profit organizations, right? The general one.
If you are a non-profit, then it is completely free for you.
But in our case, it will not be. Associate will not be the valid one.
Yes,
You'll have to become general member first.
Yes. So you have to be a general member. So around let's say if your strength is between 100 to 499, then $20,000. So $20,000 around is 15-16 lakhs. So you have to donate, then only you can become a member.
And what about this members list? The first column in the same table that you show, it shows general, already a Linux Foundation member.
So actually this is Hyperledger Foundation. Hyperledger Foundation comes under Linux Foundation. So if you are already part of the Linux Foundation, okay, then this price will be half for you. Like this.
Okay, so in that case, we'll have to first become Linux Foundation member, then we can get this.
Maybe, but if you are like, if the main part is like, if you want to be a Hyperledger one only, then there is no need to join their
Linux Foundation.
So, and there is one which is like a right now I think they are not offering for the training provider. So there is a one thing which is about the training, certified training provider also, training partners. Let me. So right now they have around 7.
Donation is one time, right?
That I'm not sure, because I think one time only, but I'm not sure about that. So here you can apply for the training partner also. So this is the requirement.
Okay.
So this is the requirement. If you want to be a certified training partner, then this is how you can do. And for this, I think very nominal charges they charge.
Becoming a training partner.
Only thing is you have to have the that
The requirements.
requirement which they have.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So just now, like this three are like three training partners, right? This IDS and Snapper, Future Tech, and the this Emergo.
Emergo.
So these are like recently they have onboarded. They're not like like very old. Recently only they have onboarded to as a certified training partner.
Okay.
So that is all. Only see if you are a training partner. So only thing is like you will get some good amount of corporate trainings, because you will be a face on the websites, on the and the contacts, and if any corporate training comes, then that will come directly to you. So generally large company, they look for the certified one, right? So,
yes, right.
So if certified one is there, then of course. So right now, like one NPCI is there, right? National Payment Corporation of India. So that organization, like they were looking for the certified one. So right now, this Kerala blockchain and the Emergo Academy, so both are certified. So they have onboarded these two training partners for their employees.
Oh, wow.
So right now, like I'm also part of that. I take some few sessions like on the at NPCI also. So they generally they don't because the thing is I have only like designed some of the course of that Emergo. Okay, I was actively part of that, but nowadays like if like they are the certified one, so everyone will go to them only. So that is the case if you are the certified one. And this NPCI is building a this Vajra platform right now. So they are heavily investing on the Hyperledger Fabric.
Okay.
So and one more thing which here is the one I would suggest is just read out these case studies in your free time. So these case study are like a already developed product or projects on the Hyperledger Fabric or other Hyperledger framework, like on supply chain, how metal and metal mining is industries using supply chain. Then for S&P Global, how the fintech is using the Hyperledger Fabric. Then how government is using with Tech Mahindra land registry. Then how the complete finance plus the trading. So how the trading companies are using the Hyperledger Fabric. Then with Vesu, and of course with Fabric. So how the cyber security is increased, or how you can use cyber security with the Fabric. Then again digital Silk Road, again trade with the Hyper supply chain and government. So these various use cases are. So when you read these use cases, your mind will open like, okay, these kind of
possibilities,
use cases and possibilities can be there. So you have also the client base, right? And they must be in these domains only, like supply chain, government, finance. So like it will give you a proper idea how you can pitch for your clients. Okay, like you can open their eyes, like this is the point, or this is the kind of use case which is applicable for your company also, for your applications also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
And
just
they have
read
mentioned
this.
which projects they use for
Yes,
completing those
yes,
use cases.
yes,
So
yes.
that's very
So
good.
yeah, they have mentioned which and mostly 90% they are Hyperledger Fabric only.
Fabric only. Yeah.
So, and the very first was this Walmart. So how Walmart brought unprecedented transparency to the food supply chain. So this was a very first project which was which gone live with the Hyperledger Fabric, and it was developed by IBM only. So IBM was the uh, tech provider for Walmart, and but right now Walmart technical team only doing that next development. But in the supply chain, they have like in the old days, like before this Hyperledger Fabric, if you want to track down a single mango, which is coming from a, let's say, a particular farm for the Walmart store, right, from a different vendors. So to track down like from where it came, and what was the complete information about that one mango, it was taking around 7 days. Okay, and now it is taking only 5 seconds.
Okay.
So that is how they have created a complete supply chain, transparent supply chain using Hyperledger.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can track down even like which was the plant, how it grown, what kind of soil was there, what kind of fertilizer they have used, how much water intake was there, everything within second. And their customers, they have put it a barcode on every packaging. So you can just scan the barcode and you can get the complete information, which is on the blockchain.
Right.
So that was a very first use case with the Hyperledger Fabric. And after that, only people have realized, okay, this much potential this particular platform is having. So why not we use for that? So then after the people are using for vendor management, because with the dealing with the vendor, it is a very tough task for the companies right now. So that is how it is like, and it started in when Fabric the development is started. After 1 year, they have started with Walmart. So it is going from that time, 2017, 16. So my suggestion would be like just read out.
Yes.
Yeah. So you will get a proper idea. And second thing is the wiki page. So here we have the wiki page of the Hyperledger, and this information is mostly for the developers. Okay. So this is the complete platform. This is a Jira platform, and here you will get complete project list, and you can track down the progress, how the project is being developed. Here you will get the complete roadmap. What is the roadmap for the Fabric development, for the contributors meetings. Then SDK, how that SDK development is going on. So right now we have Java and Node.js SDK, but soon we will get Go and Python also. So Go and Python are in the development phase. Okay. Then the complete architecture. So here main documentation, in complete architecture documentation you will find here. Then this is a GitHub board. So right now, earlier they were managing with the Jira, but now they have moved to GitHub. So right now they are using this. So let me. So okay, I have to sign up for them because for Jira I had account. So there you will find complete development, complete code, how they have the Jira, like how they have the development tickets and who is working on tickets, those kind of things. Then important thing here is the Rocket chat. So here, if you face any issues, so these are the chats where like you can ask your questions, and so like these are the channels, like Fabric questions. So here people generally ask questions if they have any issues.
Okay.
So this is the community page actually, where people
Mm-hmm.
interact with the people. Second one is the mailing list. So mailing list is also another way of communicating. So in the list, you can be a part of list, and then you will get the kind of mails, like what kind of discussion is going on around the fabric, around the um, Hyperledger.
Mm-hmm.
So these are some like tools which can be utilized whenever you have any issues, any problem with um, the fabric or with the any kind of platform. So
Okay.
that is why this is like it has a rich community support.
Correct.
These many chat groups are there, okay, for development, for documentation, everything.
Mm-hmm.
And also every time like meetings are happening, okay, so those
Okay.
meetings are like uh, community meetings are also there, and the development core team meetings are also there. And it is not like they are doing in silos, so those meetings
Mm-hmm.
recordings are available, so you can just check it out, the recordings also. And if you want to join the meeting, you can join
Mm-hmm.
that meeting also. So
Oh,
this
okay.
is a link.
Mm-hmm.
uh, like all the meetings in from 2019, everything is available, and everything is open source, everything is transparent.
Mm-hmm.
And also we have groups here. So these are the working groups, and these are the special interest groups. So working groups
Mm-hmm.
meaning this is for people who are actually working on the framework, who are developing the
Mm-hmm.
framework. But it is
Okay.
not like a you cannot join, you can also join those meetings. Okay. And also we have some special interest groups. So special interest groups like people have created for special industries, so capital
Mm-hmm.
markets, climate action, government, healthcare, public sector, right? And
Mm-hmm.
they have like one minute, I just give you so they have they generally host meeting every week or every 15 days, and they discuss about like okay, is there any new use case, and what kind of current projects are going on different companies. So those kind
Mm-hmm.
of discussion happens, and how in a particular industry a particular use case can be used or can be developed. So those kind of discussion happens there.
Okay.
And also one main thing is, if you want to join this kind of meetings, so they have calendar. So this is the calendar.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the complete calendar. Let me open here. So if you see today also, these many meetings are there. And these are all open meetings. Anyone can join.
Anyone can join. Okay.
Yeah. And there is a one Hyperledger India chapter also. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the created by uh, like Kamlesh and Arun. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so they were working with me. So they have
Okay.
created this chapter for India only. Okay, so for India, like um, for Indian community, basically, for the
Mm-hmm.
especially for Hyperledger.
And it's about the meetings are about the general discussions related with the
General discussion,
development
yes, yes.
community.
So
Okay.
basically, you can be part of the community, and then it is like a vice versa. You can also help them; they can also help.
Mm-hmm.
So it is
Okay.
like a slowly, if you want to be part of the community, you can be there.
Right. Right.
But
And
of course, there is
we'll
a
have to join the community first to be part of
yes,
these meetings.
yes. So no, it is not necessary to join community.
Mm-hmm.
Just create account and you will get everything.
Okay. Okay.
So like when this is important is like when you have some vision, like
Knowledge. Yeah.
so like if you have something like in the supply chain, if you want to, your client is there, and if you
Mm-hmm.
don't have much idea about the supply chain industry,
Mm-hmm.
so you can be slowly part of that community. You can so you can discuss the idea over there, like this is the one which we are trying to develop. So there
Mm-hmm.
like most of the people will come as an industry expert there. So you will get some filtered audience there, not like everyone, because to be a part of community, of course you have to spend some time, right? And only interested people will be available there.
Okay.
So that's the thing. So that's it around about the community part and the how you can get the help from the community and the Hyperledger. So, if you have any questions, we can discuss that.
Yeah. No, it was really helpful. We got a lot of knowledge regarding this. So
Yeah.
if there are any questions, I will definitely get in touch.
Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we'll start with the core concepts, and
Yeah.
there will actually Fabric will start.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So we
And
need Linux boxes only for that, right? Not Windows.
Linux will use Linux only,
Okay.
because the documentation which I have created, that is for Linux only. Okay.
Linux only. Yeah.
For
Not an
Windows again, because when in Windows sometimes it creates problems with the document.
problem. Okay. Not an issue.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if Ubuntu is there, that's fine.
Okay. So
Sir,
Yep.
as we are
yeah.
going through the theory part right now, what do you suggest we do
So
for
for
rest of the day?
so as today, like if you can spend some time on the use cases or case studies, that will be helpful for you. Second one is just explore the documentation of the Hyperledger Fabric especially. And third thing, if you can invest some time on the community part, that will help you out in the long go.
Okay.
Okay, from tomorrow,
Yes.
whatever topics I will give you, like I will explain you, so you can read out the complete thing. I will give you the proper links, so you can read out from there. And after that, if you have any questions, so we can discuss on the next class.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so mostly I will try like half theory and half practical, but initially like 2-3 sessions would be like a theory only, because we have to understand the concepts first.
Yeah. Definitely.
So after that, then it will be like most of the things will be practical. Theory is
Practical.
the minimum you will get.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. Let's okay, wrap up. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank
Thanks
you,
for
sir.
your
Thank you,
time.
sir.
Have a good day. Bye.